What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a minute. I feel like I say that a lot. Today I finally have the video for you guys that I promised months ago, just in time. Well, I know it's almost the end of May, but since it's before Memorial Day, we are still celebrating half-o-ween over here, and I figured what better time to finally upload this video than right now during half-o-ween. I know that I promised this video to you guys a few months ago, but man, I have been editing this video since November. I have spent countless hours, days, and weeks going through all of this footage, compiling it into a music video format for you guys to enjoy all of the Halloween ambiance and goodness. If you guys are ready to get in the Halloween mood for this year, then I think this is the video for you. I hope that this video inspires you and gets you super pumped for this upcoming Halloween season. I think you guys will find this to be a treat. Having said all of that, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was. What was your favorite section? I hope that everyone's been having a wonderful half-o-ween season. Are you guys excited? Let me know in the comments. To add, if you guys noticed that I was doing a little bit of a spooky unboxing in this VLOG-O-WEEN, I do have a full version of that. I picked up some products from 𝗟cie𝘃𝗲, Confectionery Soaps Co., and Mythology Candles. I still have all the footage of me talking about these products. I just figured like, oh, it's past season, like no one's gonna wanna watch that. But these products still might be available this upcoming season. So if you guys are interested in the full review video of that, let me know in the comments and I would be happy to put that together for you guys. I know it's been a minute since my last upload, but trust and believe I have been working on several videos in the meantime behind the scenes. I did take a bit of a break, not only to spend the time to edit this particular video, because I do have OCD, and I'm not just saying like, oh, I'm so OCD. I actually have OCD. This VLOG-O-WEEN needs to be uploaded before I can release any current content. It just needs to happen. So I was waiting for the appropriate moment and I felt that half-o-ween time was the best time to post this to get everybody in the Halloween spirit. I really hate when I stay gone for so long, but I did take a break to work on my health. It's something I've never talked about on my channel before, but I do hope to talk about it very soon in the hopes that it will help someone else. I have a few different chronic pain illnesses, chronic pain issues that I've been battling for years, so I finally took a break this year from everything to try and heal, and that's why this video took so long to come out. So I hope you guys can forgive me for staying away for so long, but it is my goal as I'm working through my health issues to try and stay more consistent and productive on this channel. I do plan on putting out more Halloween type content sprinkled throughout the summer season to get everybody amped up and ready for Halloween. And if you're new to this channel and you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, because I try to put out as much fun and vibey holiday ambient content as I can. I truly appreciate the support. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.